It's like the belt noise I was talking about. Kind of hear the ticking around here. Now, if I'm not mistaken, that should be a lifter or possibly the fuel injector noise. I'm not really sure. I'm not a Ford technician, but supposedly that's normal. That doesn't sound normal though. I'm not sure what that is. Whatever.